at Alice do. We clean water with microalgae, but with living algae. That those applications involve the algae living, the living cell, eating basically pollution from waterways. And that way, the nitrogen, phosphorus, ammonia, metal, salts, all the stuff that's polluting the river, we can place a tank with that water, place algae in, and the algae using the sunlight will eat all of those contaminants out, and then we can separate the algae and obtain clean water. That's another good application with algae that we have right now. And also the carbon capture part of algae basically naturally does. So it's like you have a stream of greenhouse gases, you put it to a streamline, you cool it up a little, and then you feed it to the algae, and the algae will use those gases to feed from and to grow and to eat and grow and divide.